Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down and to a special edition all about Article 16 and the rules and regulations that govern us radio control model flyers. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel.
The rules that govern us are the Air Navigation Order, CAP 722 and Article 16, and that's mainly what this video is going to focus on. The easiest way of finding the regulations is through the British Model Flying Association website, www.bmfa.org. For the regulation, model aircraft are split into different weight categories. The first category is for models weighing less than 250 grams that are not fitted with a camera. As you'd imagine, there's very little regulation for these very light models. Most model flyers fit into the next band though, and that's from 250 grams to 7.5 kilograms when fully fueled. To fly these models, you should register with the CAA and get an operator ID, and this should be displayed on your model. And this is where Article 16 comes in to allow us to fly above 400 feet. In order to operate above 400 feet, the model must not be a multi-rotor, and it must not be automated, i.e. not flown on autopilot. But helicopters are allowed. Must have a maximum takeoff weight, i.e. with fuel, of less than 7.5 kilograms or 14 kilograms if it's an unpowered glider. You must be able to maintain unaided visual line of sight with the model. You mustn't fly within 30 metres of uninvolved persons, or 15 metres for takeoff and landing. You should take the online CAA test or hold a BMFA A or B certificate. You should not fly within the Flight Restriction Zone FRZ of an aerodrome. So what is an FRZ? It's a circle centred on the aerodrome with a radius of either 2 or 2.5 nautical miles, and this is raised up into a cylinder that's 2,000 feet tall. There's then additional boxes that are 5 by 1 kilometre centred on the ends of the runways, also up to 2,000 feet. So in practice, this is how the flight restriction zones appear for some of my local airports. So this complex airspace on this aeronautical chart doesn't apply to us. When operating at heights which may exceed 400 feet, it is essential that members maintain a good lookout for manned aircraft. If a manned aircraft appears in the vicinity, their model aircraft should be brought down to under 400 feet as quickly as is safely practicable. So what about bigger, heavier models then? And the next band covers models from 7.5 to 25 kilograms in weight, fully fueled. These models are limited to a maximum height of 400 feet above the takeoff position and should not be flown within a horizontal distance of 50 metres of assemblies of uninvolved people. This can be reduced to 30 metres for takeoff and landing. It's a good exercise to pace out 400 feet and look how big your model looks at this height. This is a 2.2 metre span multiplex Soleus, paced out at 400, 800 and 1000 feet. Remember, it's your responsibility to ensure that flights are made safely and not to act recklessly, endanger aircraft, persons or property. This film is only meant to be a guide. You should go and read the rules for yourself.
I hope you found that useful and informative. Thanks for watching and safe flying.